following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Grundy, Los Alamos. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for urban areas and small streams in Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Los Al County in north central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeast Illinois, northern Will County in northeast Illinois, southern Cook County in northeast Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, southern Kane County in northeast Illinois, until 9 o'clock p.m. At 6:07 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. 1 to 2 inches of rainfall in an hour is Wood, Homer Glen and Ingalls Park. Other locations affected: Argonne National Laboratory, Aurora University, Chicago Land Speedway Route 66 Raceway, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governor's State University, Joliet Junior College. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, viaducts, and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams, and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. A severe